Hello and welcome to Hosted FTP Tutorials. Today's tutorial is going to cover how to create an automated script for backing up files on your Hosted FTP account. You're going to need both WebDrive and WindSCP installed, and you'll also need to create a backup user. Let's begin. Log into your admin account and create your backup user. Go to the Users tab and click Add Username and fill in the username and password. Remember these credentials because we'll be using it later in the tutorial. Do not give this user a storage or bandwidth quota. Save, and next, click Login located beside the user's username and use your admin password to log in as the backup user. Go to the Files tab and create a backup folder in the root directory. At this time, you can share this file with any users you want to grant access to your backup files. Save, and now let's move on to installing and setting up WebDrive. Visit www.webdrive.com, select WebDrive from the landing page, click Download, and choose the link for your operating system. Once complete, run the installation with the recommended settings. Now, let's set up WebDrive using the backup user's login credentials. Open WebDrive, click New, and select your protocol from the list. Now simply insert your login credentials. By default, you can use ftp.hostedftp.com as the URL or address, then fill in the blanks using your backup user's username and password. Continue all the way through and take note of the mounted drive and the folder name. Once you've tested your connection, you can close WebDrive. Next, we need to download WindSCP. Visit www.windscp.net and click Go to Download page. Click the latest installation package and let the download complete. Once finished, run the installation with the recommended settings. Click Finish, and WindSCP will automatically open. Click New Site and input your admin's login credentials. Click Save, change the name of the site connection to something you will remember, check Save Password, press OK. Take a moment to review your remote site. Note that if you want to back up your entire remote site, create a main folder and move all your folders into the main folder. If you want to back up a specific folder, make sure you know the directory path of that folder. Now we can finally create and configure our backup script. Browse your computer for the Notepad program. Right-click Notepad and select Run as Administrator. Pause the video and copy this one-line script. Now go to File, Save As. Using the drop-down menu, select All Files and name this file script.bat for batch file. Open a new Notepad document and now copy this second script while filling in the blanks. Beside Open, insert the name of the site connection we just created in WindSCP. Beside Newer Only, insert the directory path for the folder you want to back up. Beside that, insert the path of our WebDrive backup folder directory, remembering to include the mounted drive with a backslash beside the folder name. Save this file as script and close the document. Next, browse your computer for your program files and find the WindSCP folder. Click and drag our batch file and text file into this folder. You may be asked to continue as the admin. Finally, double-click the batch file to run the script. Initially, the script will automatically upload all files from the specified remote folder into our backup folder. Now, from any time you run the script, the code will select all new files and upload them into the backup folder. If you want, you can use Windows Task Scheduler to run the batch file during a specified time. Feel free to use our live chat if you have any specific questions, or you can email us at support@hostedftp.com for your business inquiries. Thank you so much for watching, and on behalf of everyone here at Hosted FTP, we want to thank you for choosing us as your service provider.